Hey students, this is San Academy Pallikaranai. This is Class 8, Social and Political Life, Chapter 2, Understanding Secularism. Topics to be covered today. What is secularism? Why is it important to separate religion from the state? What is Indian secularism? First, let us see what is secularism. The fundamental principle of secularism states that all religions should be treated equally. There should be no discrimination on the basis of the religion one chooses to follow and practice. The Indian Constitution contains the fundamental rights which gives its citizens the right and freedom to follow and practice any religion. Citizens can also preserve their religious beliefs by establishing religious centers and educational institutions. Why it is important to separate religion from the state? An important aspect of secularism is that it is separated from the state power. This is done to preserve the essence of secularism. When a particular religion is made the official religion of a state, acts of violence and religious discrimination committed by its people in the name of that religion, people of other religions are discriminated against. In many countries which have more than one religious group living in them, of these groups, one is usually a majority. When one religion is given the status of official religion, it encourages its followers to discriminate against and dominate over the minority groups. People have the right to change practices within their own religion, convert to another religion, or choose not to follow any religion at all. The practice of domination can easily take on a violent form and thereby deprive citizens of their rights in a democratic country. The spirit of democracy is preserved when the state is separate from religion. Now let us see what is Indian secularism. India is a secular country. To preserve the spirit of secularism, India adopted the policy of separating the state from religion. The constitution prohibits the promotion of any one religion as the state religion. The Indian constitution mandates that citizens can choose to follow any religion. It also ensures the following: no domination by one religious group, no domination among members of the same religion, no encroachment by the state upon the religious freedom of other citizens. Now let us see its main objective. The Indian state has no official religion. In order to achieve this, the state does the following. It does not promote any particular religion at the expense of another. Governmental institutions, police stations and courts maintain a religiously neutral environment. It does not interfere in religious matters and makes no exception for any one particular religious practice. It intervenes to end religious practices or beliefs that violate the ideals of our constitution, like untouchability and dowry. It also supports or grants religious communities the freedom and financial aid to set up their own educational institutions. Secularism in other democratic countries. Like India, the United States of America also separates state from religion. The state does not give an official status to any one religion. The American Constitution allows no interference in matters of religion. Any interference made by the Indian state in religious matters must be driven by the commitment to preserve citizens' fundamental rights and the principles of the Constitution, and not be based on promoting the interest of any one religious community at the expense of others. The fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution are based on secular principles. However, they are frequently violated in our society. Knowledge about our rights and the constitutional provisions helps us to address these violations. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.